Hi children, welcome you all to the session. Today we are going to start with our exercise problems. Exercise 3.1. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 3.1. You can take page number 50 in your NCERT textbook for your reference. Okay children? Today we are going to discuss about exercise 3.1. Okay, we are going so that you can take page number 50 in your NCERT textbook. Okay, what is the first question in exercise 3.1? Write all the factors of the following numbers. So what is meant by factors? It is an exact divisor of a number. Factor is what? It is an exact divisor of that particular number. So the factors will be always less than or equal to that number. Then it will be finite. The number of factors will be finite. So always 1 and that number will always be the factor of those numbers. Do you remember all these points when we are discussing about factors? Yes. Just once you recall all those things and then come to these problems. Okay. Now what is the first question? 24. So what? First you can start with one table, right? Or you can write like this. 24. How you can write? 24 into 1 or 1 into 24 you can write. Yes. Next. 12 twos are 24 you can write. Right. Next. 8 threes are 24 you can write. Next 6 fours are 24. Okay, because comes in first table, second table, third table, fourth table. After that fifth table it won't come, so you no need to write. Sixth, seventh table will it come? No. Then 8 straight away. Then 9, 10 no, 11 no, 12 it comes. Then after that it is 24. So like this you should find, and you should at last you should write like this. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Like this you should write it. Okay, first what I am saying, first table it is coming, obviously it will come. So 24th table also it will come, first table also it will come, 12th table also it will come, 2 table also it will come, 8th table also it will come, 3rd table also it will come, 6th. So these are the factors. You should not miss any tables. Okay, if you miss it is wrong. Okay, everything should be there. Every factors you should write because factors are finite. Next 15. 15 how you will write? 1 into 15. Right. Next, whether it comes in 2 table? No. 3 table? Yes, 3 5s are 15. 4th table? No. 5th table it is already there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, nothing it is there. Straight away it goes to 15th table. So, therefore, how you will write? The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. 1, 3, 5, 15 are the factors of 15. Just keep it in your mind. Okay, next 21. 21, first table 1 into 21. Second table it won't come. Third table 3 7s are 21. Fourth table no. Fifth table no. Sixth table no. Seventh table it is already there. Then 8th no, 9th no, like that. It straight away goes to 21 table. So how you should write the answer? You should not stop here itself. You should write like this only, then it is a correct answer. Factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7, 21. Listen carefully. You should not stop till this. It is wrong. It is for our convenience we are writing to find the answers. So if you write like this, then this is the correct answer. Okay. Next 27. So how we will write? 1 into 27. 2 table whether it will come? No. Third table? Yes. 9 threes are 27. After that 4th table? No. 5th table? No. 6th table? No. 7th table? No. 7th table, no. 8th table, no. 9th table, it is already here. Then straight away, it is 27th table. So, the factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9, 27. Understood? Next is your 12. Okay, we can start writing. 1 12s are 12. 2 6 are 12. 3 4s are 12. After that, 4th table. So 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4th table. 5th table, no, it won't be coming. 6th table coming after the 12th table. So what are the factors of 12? The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 is the answer. Okay. Next 20. So shall I start writing? 1 into 20, 20. Next in 2 table, 2 10s are 20. Right? Whether it comes in 3rd table? No. 4th table? Yes. 4 5s are 20. 5th table, it is here. 6th table? No. 7th table? No. 8th table? No. 9th table? No. 10th table, it is there after the 20th table. Okay, like this only you should first you should write the questions of the tables, because these are all questions, right? This is the answer. So these are all factors. So how we will write? The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. This is how you should write the factors of a number. Next is your 18. 18, how you will write? 1 into 18. Next, 2 table. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Next, 3rd table. 3 6 are 18. Then 4th table, no. 5th table, no. 6th table, no. 7th table, so 6th table is there, sorry. 6th table is there. 7th table, no. 8th table, no. 9th table, it is there. Then 18th table. So the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Understood? So this is what you should write. So this is the actual answer. You should not stop till this. You should write at the final. You should write this answer. Only then it is a correct answer. Okay, children. Next is your second question. What is the second question? You can see your textbook, okay? Write first 5 multiples of 5. First 5 now what? They will give you a number. We are going to find the multiples. Multiples means what? Tables answer. Okay, multiples means what? Tables answer. That too they have asked you the first 5 multiples. So what you should start? 5 ones are 5. Your first multiple is 5. Next, first 5 multiple means 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. So this is their first multiple. This is my second multiple, third multiple, fourth multiple, fifth multiple. So this is what your first 5 multiples of number 5. So how you will write? The first 5 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. You should not stop till this. You should write this answer also. The first 5 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay. Next, 8th. Find the first 5 multiple of 8. So what you will do? 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. Okay, so what is the multiples? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. Okay, so listen, now what just we have to write? You should not stop till this, because I already told you if you're stopping like this, it is not a correct answer. So what you will do? You should write here the first 5 multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Okay, this is how you should write the first 5 multiples. Then in the first question, H and I is your homework. Okay, H sum and I sum is your homework. In second question, C sum is your homework. Okay, next third question, it is a match. You can write it in your textbook. That is also your homework. So totally first sum H and I is homework. Second sum C is your homework. Third sum in book you should write it. Okay, so that is your homework. Okay, next fourth question. Find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. We are going to find the multiples of 9 up to 100. Okay, we are going to start from the multiples of 9. Multiples of 9, how we will start? 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. Here and all it is 36. We want till 100. Up to 100 means till 100 we should find it. So 9 we got, 18 we got, 27, 36. Next 9 5s are 45. 9 6 are 54. 9 7s are 63. 9 8s are 72. 9 9s are 81. 9 10s are 90. 9 11s are 99. Okay. 9 12s are 108. Okay. 9 12s are 108. It is more than 100, but we want up to 100. So what you will write? The multiples of 9 up to 100 are, so till this only you should write, because this is more than 100. So what are the multiples? 9, 18, 26, 36, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99. So these are the multiples. So you should put a full stop. You should not put etc, because till this it is stopping. Okay, here also you should put full stop. Here also you should put full stop, because it ends here, because they ask you only 5. They asked you more multiples, you can put etc. Then if they didn't mention you first 5, if they mention you just to write the multiples alone, you can write the multiples and you can put etc, because multiples are infinite. But here they have asked you just first 5 multiples. So you write the first 5 multiples and put a full stop, which means only this will be the answer. More than this, no answer will be there. Here also, till this only you should write it. You should not write 108, because up to 100 they said. Okay, understood how it comes? Today's class, we have discussed the exercise problem based upon the factors and multiples. Okay, fully it is based upon how to find the factors and how to find our multiples. Certain rules are there to find it. So based upon that rules, we have found few factors and multiples. I have given few problems as homeworks related to that. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.